What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're doing our first episode of Pistol Wars. How it's gonna work is we have these two contestants right here. We got Callan and we got Monty. They're just gonna have two bullets in their pistol. One of them is gonna hide, and there's 3 rounds. The first round, one of them is gonna be a hider. The other one's gonna be seeker. Then the second round, they'll switch. The third round, we're gonna have a duel on the street. And so yeah, best of 3 wins. You ready?
Probably not.
Ready? Alright, so who's gonna be seeker first?
I'll hide first.
Okay, you'll be seeker first. Inside hiding base with Monty Mood. Just tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, my name is Monte Mood and I like otters, and we are currently inside my house.
Yeah. It's not time to go yet. Why are you trying to cheat?
The door opened by itself.
Sure.
With the wind. It opened with the wind.
Alright, we'll see you guys outside. Alright, guys, we're outside with Monty Mood. He's gonna start seeking.
This way.
Alright. He's gonna start going up the street. Oh, you dropped the bullet. Maybe you should hold that gun better. Just make sure the bullets don't fall out of it. There you go. And also for today's video, it's gonna be a 1-hit kill, guys. Oh, there he is! It's a big duel.
I'm out of bullets. I get to reload.
Alright. He's gonna reload and then we're gonna have a battle. What do you think about that battle, Monty?
Pretty intense.
How'd you know he was coming? Oh, he reloaded. And he got him.
I was gonna assassinate him. I was gonna hang out by your tree, but then
Can you bleep things out?
Just don't say any cuss words.
There was a weird, sketchy squirrel.
Alright.
I'll tell you why he's sketchy later.
Alright.
Just not to this, but to...
Alright, that's gonna do it for the first round. We'll see you on the second round. Alright, we're inside the house with Callan this time.
use jelly bean.
You need jelly beans?
Jelly bean?
Sure. So, I guess we'll see you guys outside. Alright, guys, we're going outside.
Found him.
You found him already?
Found him.
Stop saying that. Wait, is he actually in the tree? Did he get you, Monty?
Nope.
It's hard to see on camera. Monty is.
In the tree. I need him to fire. I hate you. Oh, yes. Now.
Oh, butt cheek.
Hit him.
You got him?
Ow.
And
I'm up the butt.
that's gonna be the video for today.
What about the standoff?
Yeah, we could do that.
Okay.
We're gonna do a standoff, but Cal has already won. So yeah. Here we go, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Here comes Callan. There's Monty.
Yo, I'm Monte, guys. Look, ready? I'm gonna get you.
Did you get hit?
Nope.
Did you get hit?
Yes,
Oh.
right here.
Well, I guess we have a winner. What do you got to say after your win?
I won all rounds, but there must be no witnesses.
No! No! Ah!
I have something to say.
What do you have to say?
He won,
Ow!
he won all rounds considered.
What?
Considered.
Let me just
Oh.
say something.
What? That's nasty, bro. Alright. That's gonna do it for today's video. They're still shooting each other. So I'll see you on the next one.